Hey creatives, one of the wisest things I have ever heard came from a cartoon called Adventure Time, in which Jake the dog says, "Dude, sucking at something is the first step to being sorta good at something." That's actual wisdom. See, when it comes to making things, we have two roadblocks to overcome. One is our taste, because we know what's good. We know a good story, a good song, a good pattern. We already know how fantastic art can be. That's why we're in love with it and we really want to do it. So our taste is up here. But when you start making stuff, it's not going to be that good at the beginning. That's just how that works. And that's challenging because it runs into roadblock number 2, which is our pride. No matter how you feel, no matter what you struggle with, the part inside of you that wants to make things knows that you can make good things. Absolutely knows that you are capable of making things that are beautiful and exciting and riveting and stunning. You know you have that ability. Deep down, you know. So when you try to make something, especially if you try really hard, and it comes out lousy, that runs right into that pride. But Jake the dog was right. The way to get good at something is to make the stuff that sucks first. Each bad thing that you make becomes a brick in the foundation of your entire kingdom. As you make bad things, you learn how to make good things. As a project that you make blows up, you figure out why it blew up and you learn not to do that again. The more you flex your creative muscles, the stronger they get. You want to make good things? You need to be willing to make lousy things. Keep going. Don't stop. Sit down with me, creatives, and let's make something new.